Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Angeline Piliado, 24 years old. I'm a single. I religion Catholic. I have two brothers and one sister. I'm the youngest of the family. I am a high school graduate. My special skills are taking elderly and pets, household service. I have work experience domestic helper in the Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are washing, ironing the clothes, cleaning the house, gardening, and marketing. I I love taking care of elderly. I give him food on time. I assess him. I I give him vitamins and medicines based on doctor prescription. I love him as my own parents. If you harm me, I will finish my 2 years contract. I will do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, Madam and Sir.